Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Online Coach. So today I'm going to teach you the pattern for this top. So I'm not telling you the full pattern, full tutorial, I'm just telling you the pattern. So for this pattern you need to have a 3.0 millimeter hook and the yarn is 3 ply. First you need to make chains. So here you can see I'm starting with chains. You need to make the chains multiple of 6. So do the chains multiple of 6 if you are doing a big project, big shawl, or even you are doing a bed throw. You can do chains according the size, but keep in mind the chains should be in the multiple of 6. So at the last I have added 2 extra chains. So now skip 3 chains and in the 4th chain do a double crochet, again double crochet in the next stitch. So in this first row we will do only double crochets in each and every stitch. So whole row will be in the double crochet. So continue making double crochets in each and every stitch. Do not skip any stitch. Okay, so you can see here, complete the row and we will meet at the end of the row. Okay, here you can see I have completed the row. Now move to the next row. For the next row I will do 3 chains here like this. Now flip your bar and do a double crochet in the 3rd chain. Skip 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch do a double crochet. Now 1 chain and again a double crochet in the same stitch like this. Okay, you can see here like this. Okay, now again do 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Skip 2 stitches and in the 3rd stitch do a single crochet. So here you can see one portion is completed and one portion is on the 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So basically this is the pattern and the multiple of 6. Again do 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, in the 3rd stitch do a double crochet, 1 chain and again a double crochet in the same stitch, 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch a single crochet. In the 3rd stitch here a single crochet here. Okay, so this is the pattern of this 2nd row. Okay, complete this pattern. We will do it again. 3 chains, 1 2 3, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet again here in the same stitch. So now again 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch we will again do a single crochet here. So this is the look of the 2nd row. You can see how it will do. So complete the row. Okay, so now we have completed the row and at the end I have added a single crochet at the last. So now move to the next row. For the next row do 4 chains here and now turn your work. Now I will do 3 clusters in this space. Okay, so 3 clusters I will do 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet for 1 cluster like this. Okay, here 1 cluster is done. Now 1 chain, 1 chain and 1 cluster again for 2 times, 1 and 2 times, and pull through all. So here 2 clusters are done. Now again 1 chain and 1 cluster in this space, 1 time, and this is the last 2 times. Okay, so here you can see the 3 clusters are done in the space. Now 1 chain and do the same thing in the next space. Here 1 cluster and here 1 chain again and a cluster 1 time and two time and pull through all, again one chain and again the last cluster. So in this row, in this third row, we will do 3 clusters and 3 chains in every space. So one cluster, one chain, one cluster, one chain, and one cluster and one chain. So this is a basic pattern of the third of the row. Okay, so complete this row and we will meet at the end. Okay, so the third row is completed almost and I'm at the end of the row. So now here I will add a treble crochet in this first of the stitch. So here add a treble crochet like this. So the both sides, the end and the start will be the same in height and same in pattern. So as you can see, in the start I have added 4 chains and at the end I have added a treble crochet. So now move to the next row. For the next row I will again do 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and flip your work. So now in this row I will skip a chain, skip a stitch and do a double crochet. So skip this stitch and double crochet in the cluster top stitch here like this. So now one chain, skip one stitch and a double crochet. So all the double crochets will be in the top stitch of the cluster. So this is easy for you to understand. Again one chain and a double crochet in the cluster top stitch. So this is the easiest row of the pattern. Fourth row, again one chain, one double crochet in the cluster top stitch, again one chain, one double crochet in this stitch, again one chain, one double crochet in the stitch. Okay, so this is the look. Now complete the row just doing the same pattern. Okay, here it's completed. Now the total rows are 4. So this is basically the pattern. Pattern is a multiple of 6 stitches and 4 rows. So now I am doing the first row here. So this is now repeating. Now I will do double crochet in each and every stitch. So here in the chain I'm doing a double crochet, next double crochet in the double crochet, over the, again double crochet in this chain. So this is the first row. Here I'm repeating double crochet in each stitch. And the row is completed here. So first row is again done on. So this is now I will do the second row, then third, and then fourth. So basically the 4 rows are repeated. You just need to learn these 4 rows, and the one pattern is of 6 chains. So these two things you need to keep in mind. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you.